I think that most fleets are heavily connected today, either using an aftermarket black box that is installed or some OBD dongle. And we see more and more fleets considering replacing those for the embedded modem that is already in the car. With more and more connected cars out there are more and more cars that the fleets are putting their hands on, which contains already embedded connectivity. So one might ask, why should I put an aftermarket device? Why should I put a modem if there's another modem? And I think there are a number of values for the fleet. I think first of all, it enables them to get much richer data set in many times. We all know what are the limitations of an OBD, for example. Just talk about odometer, which is not available from the OBD. So it enables the fleets to get parameters that are not available today. It also enables the fleet to reduce, I will call it the lockdown. He is not dependent on the supplier of the aftermarket hardware anymore. He's getting it directly from the car, and he owns the car, he bought it. So the data is his to license. And I think another good reason is that the business model. Fleets are approaching us and saying, look, instead of paying a high lump sum upfront to put the aftermarket device, I really prefer to pay a small monthly fee to license the data. In the end, I pay less, and I also spread it over the lifetime of the vehicle instead of paying upfront. I think also that fleets understand that they want to get the data. They want to get the raw data. They want to get all the rights in the data. They want to use the data as they want. They want maybe to share it with third parties. They want also to offer additional services to the fleets with this. Many of those things are not available, or the fleet don't have full control when there's a third party that supplies the connectivity. So we really see, I think, that almost any fleet out there has today on his roadmap to move towards OEM embedded connectivity. And really I see much more only pros, not many cons. By the way, many of the aftermarket fleet management companies that supply the aftermarket hardware also understand this. They also understand that the future is the data, the software, the services, not the hardware-based connectivity. So I think that the entire ecosystem is really viewing the future in the same way as the future that is enabled by OEM embedded connectivity from the vehicle.